Pythagorean theorem. We have a right triangle, this blue right triangle. Why is this a right triangle? Because one of the angles is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. And then I have two legs. So this is leg A, this is leg B. And then I have hypotenuse that is called a C, which is the longer side. What is the relationship between the length of A, B, and C? Well, the relationship is A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. This is a Pythagorean theorem, and this theorem works for right triangle only. So if we don't have a 90 degree, then the A squared plus B squared equals to C squared doesn't work. Okay, let's take a look at this word problem. A lot has the shape of a right triangle. So they mention right triangle with one leg 2 meters longer than the other. The hypotenuse is 2 meters less than twice the length of the shorter leg. Find the length of the shorter leg. So we have to define a variable. I already prepared a green triangle, and the problem mentioned that is a right triangle. So we have a 90 degree. And then the shorter leg is unknown. So I am going to call the shortest leg x. And then what about the other? The other one is right for the first sentence mentioned that 2 meters longer than the other. The other leg is 2 meters longer than the shorter leg. So that will be x plus 2. Then that will be 2 meters longer than that. And then the hypotenuse is twice the shorter leg and then 2 meters less than that. So now we have A, B, and C, right? So this is A, and then this is B, and then this is C, right? The hypotenuse. Okay, and then let's apply the Pythagorean theorem. So we have A squared. The x plus 2 and the x squared, which one goes first, doesn't matter. You can do x squared and then plus B squared and then equals to the square of the hypotenuse, which is 2x minus 2. The B is x plus 2. So regarding the A and the B, which one goes first doesn't matter, because A squared plus B squared, you can always switch the order, right? Let's say 5 squared plus 4 squared. You can do 4 squared plus 5 squared. Just like 5 plus 4 is the same thing as 4 plus 5. You can always swap the order. All right, and then the next step is you have to fully multiply each side. So you have to extend each side, and then we simplify the expression. X squared is x squared, and then this x plus 2, we have a square, so we have a x plus 2 times x plus 2, and then equals to, the other side is 2x minus 2 times 2x minus 2. And then this is a x squared. The first term, we are using the FOIL method, first, inner, outer, last. X times x, that is equals to x squared. X times 2, that is equals to 2x, and then 2 times x equals to 2x. 2 times 2, that is equals to 4. And then the other side, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x, minus 2x, that is a minus 4x, minus 2, that is equals to past 4. All right, so let's clean up each side. We have x plus x equals to 2x squared. 2x plus 2x, and then the 4 itself, the other side, right-hand side, 4x squared. 4x minus 4x is minus 8x, and then plus 4. So this one, the next step, I can see that as long as we subtract 4 on each side, the 4 is gone, right? And then I am trying to make a 0 on one side. So how about this? I am going to keep the left-hand side equals to 0. And then the right-hand side, 4x squared minus 8x. Subtract this on both sides. So I have a minus 2x squared. Subtract this on both sides. I have a minus 4x. So let's clean this up one step further. The x squared, 4 minus 2 is 2. And then negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. Can we factor out some greatest common factor, GCF? Yes, the coefficients, they are multiples of 2. We have x squared and x. The lowest we can take out is an x. So therefore, this is an x. You multiply, you get the x squared. And then minus 6, you multiply, you get the minus 12x, right? And then you have that equals to 0. So notice that the other side is equals to 0. And then at this time, we can apply the 0 product property. Because we have multiplication of factors on one side, 0 on the other side. If the other side is not equal to 0, then you cannot apply the zero product property. So therefore, we have two factors, right? So first, we have a 2x equals to 0. We have a x minus 6 equals to 0. That means x is equals to 0. Divide both sides by 2. Add both sides by 6. You have x equals to 6. The unit is meters. Which answer should I take? Can length be 0? No. So this one we have to omit that because length cannot be equal to 0. So the only answer is x equals to 6 meters. All right, length cannot be equal to 0. So that means this is the shorter leg. And then what about the other leg? The other leg is we have to take a 6 plus 2 equals to 8. I am plugging in right there. So this is also in meters. You can use m for meters or you write meters. And then the hypotenuse, we can use xyp for hypotenuse. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10 meters. All right, then that will be the dimension of this triangle. Okay, so this is the end of this video. If you like the way I explain Pythagorean theorem and word problems, thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to my channel for more contents like that. I will meet you all in the next lesson. Signing out.